KG2, how are you? I hope you're all safe and sound in your homes, and I hope that you guys are keeping good care of yourselves. Let's take out maths books, and from that maths books, take lesson number 112 out, which is on page number 63. Alright, the thumb rule is to write your names on the top corner of your page. Mariam. You also write yours, okay? Now let's see what the question number 1 says. Question number 1 says, color 1/3 of each shape. Okay, now here, let's look here. See, I have a bar over here. I've made one bar over here. So when it says 1/3, it means that I have to divide this into 3 equal parts. How many equal parts? 3 equal parts. 1, 2, and 3. So how many parts do I have here? 1, 2, 3. Now it says color 1/3. I have to only color one portion out of these 3 blocks. Alright, so I'm gonna color this one. See, I've colored that one. So I have colored 1/3 of this shape. Now if I have a circle here and I divide it into 3 parts, okay, now hold on, this is not equally divided, this is equally divided now. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Now it says color 1/3. When it says 1/3, so I only have to color one portion of this shape. Okay, so basically this is what we're going to do in today's lesson. It says color 1/3 of each shape. So the first shape is of circle. I'm only going to use one portion of this thing of the circle to be colored. There you go. Alright, now I'm going to use another color, orange, to color this rectangle that I have here. It could be any of these portions. Can you see how equally they were divided? So these one part was divided into 3 portions. So we are coloring only the 1/3 of the shape. Okay, I'm gonna leave these 2 out for you guys to finish coloring on your own. Okay, now let's see. The second question says color 1/4 of each shape. Alright, now here I have a square and I'm gonna divide it into 4 parts. Now how many parts? 4 parts. 1, 2, and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my one square is divided into 4 equal parts. Now it says 1/4 I have to color. So I'm only going to color one portion of this square. Okay, this is what we're going to do in the second part of this question. See this circle? It was divided into 4 equal parts. Now I'm going to color 1/4 of it. Only one part. There you go. Now I'm going to use another color for the second one. Okay, I'll leave these 2 out for you to color. Okay, second question, add. Now again we are doing 90s family, which is the last family out of the numbers. Now it says 92. This is 92 on my number line. How many do we need to add more to it? 3 hops. So 1, 2, 3. What's the number that I stopped on? 95. So I'm going to write here 95. Now it says 90. What does it say? 90. This is my 90 on the number line. And how many hops do I add to it? 3 hops. 1, 2, and 3. What's the number that I stopped on? The number is 93. There you go. Now 92. How many do I add to it? 2 more hops to it. So this is my 92. And I'm going to add 2 more hops to it. 1, 2. What's the number that I stopped on? 94. I'm going to write here 94. Alright, I'm going to leave the rest for you guys to finish and figure it out on your own, okay? Question number 3. Remember doing word problems previously? We're going to practice that again today, okay? Now read with me. Dad has 3 pens. Kim has 2 pens. How many pencils do they have altogether? Now we have to see how many pens both the kids have in total altogether. So let's see. Kim has 3. 1, 2, and 3. Then how many does... no, Dad has 3. Okay, so Dad has 3 here and Kim has 2. So 1 and 2. Now let's see how many altogether they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are how many pencils together? 5 pens. Alright, now the second one. 8 ducks are in the lake. A big duck lands in the lake. How many are there? Okay. So the question goes out like there are 8 ducks. 8 ducks. How many do we have to add to it? A big duck. Only 1 duck. A big duck means that there's only 1 big that is in the water, in the lake now. So let's see. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 ducks here. And how many ducks here? Only 1 duck here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many ducks are in the lake altogether? 9 ducks. So I'm going to write here 9. 9 ducks are in the lake altogether. Okay. Ben does not have a cat. His dad brings a cat home from the pound. Then Ben has how many cats in all? You figure it out on your own and tell me how many cats Ben has, okay? Question number 4. Write the number before. Alright, now again we have to go backwards and see that what's the number that's coming before the number that we're given. 32. First question is 32. This is my 32. And if I hop backwards, then what's the number? 31. I'm going to write here 31. 36 now. This is my 36. Let's go backwards and see what comes before 36. 35. 34. Where is 34? This is 34 on the number line. Go backwards and see what comes before 34. 33. I'm going to write here 33. Okay. I'm going to leave these two lines out for you guys to finish on your own. Okay. Now, question number 5. Subtract. This is again in the vertical form. Okay. First question says 19. 19 minus 3. So this is 19 on the number line. I have to go backwards how many times? 3 times. We have to take 3 out of 9. So 1, 2, 3. What's the number? 16. Now 16 is given here in the second question. And how many hops do we have to hop back from 16? Only 2. We're taking 2 out of 16. 1, 2. What's the number? 14. Now 15. How many do we have to take away from 15? 3. This is my 3 on the number line. Taking 3 hops backwards to see what comes What is the answer? 1, 2, 3. What's the answer? 12. I'm going to write here 12. Now 11. This is 11. And how many hops do I have to hop backwards to see that what the answer is? One hop only. How many are we taking away from 11? Only one. So I hop backward and the number is 10. Alright, I'm going to leave this one out for you guys to finish on your own, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson, and I hope that you guys are learning your subtraction, addition, and everything that we're covering in our lessons. I hope you guys have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.